31st of May every year is celebrated around the world as World No Tobacco Day. It was started to draw global attention to the tobacco epidemic. Almost 30% of the population in India use tobacco in one form or the other. That is, 1 in every 5 use smokeless tobacco and 1 in every 10 people smoke. The list of diseases and the harm tobacco causes our body is endless. From head to toe, every single cell in our body is damaged. Doesn't matter what age or sex or which organ, it affects all and in all forms. Apart from these adverse personal health effects, it also has detrimental social and economical effects and affects the health of people around you. 1 in 5 deaths in males and 1 in 20 deaths in females happen because of tobacco. 1 in 5 smokers have COPD. Coming to cancer, 25% of all cancer deaths, 50% more chance of getting lung cancer. Tobacco causes almost all cancers in your body, directly or indirectly, including and more commonly mouth and throat cancer. Even when you look at COVID-19, a smoker is more prone to be hospitalized and needing a ventilator compared to a non-smoker. However, the good thing is that this is preventable and in many cases the damage reversible. The theme for World No Tobacco Day this year is Commit to Quit. So instead of talking more about the problems, let us talk about the solution and the benefit it has. So WHO has announced a quitting toolkit which is easily available online. The steps that you can take are: you set a quit date, a date which is very important in your life, like an anniversary or a child's birthday or a wife's birthday. Tell your workers, family and co-workers about it so that they will be there to talk to you and guide you and help you through the process. Remove all tobacco products from your environment. Whenever you get the crave, there are a few quick tips that I can give to curb your cravings. Delay the craving by using anything to distract yourself, by eating chips or having a lollipop. Take a deep breath for about 10 seconds. Drink a lot of water. Do something to distract yourself. Go for a run or watch TV or spend some time with your family. And last but not the least, pharmacotherapy. So you can use either nicotine patches or nicotine gum, which can help you curb the craving. The benefits it has: within 20 minutes your heart rate drops. Within up to 3 months your heart attack risk begins to drop. Your lung function improves. From about 1 to 5 years, your added risk of coronary heart disease is half that of a smoker's. In up to 10 years, your lung cancer death rate is about half. Up to 15 years, your risk of coronary heart disease is got back to normal. The younger the age you decide to quit, the longer your life expectancy. So let's say no to tobacco and help others commit to quit. Thank you.
If I can, you can. Commit to quit today.
If I can, you can. Commit to quit today.